Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine. Today we are starting day one of our bunny hutch build. This is our second bunny hutch and we're going to take you along for the ride.
And I am Nikolai.
Yes. So there's our pile of wood. What I'm going to do today is just get all of the cuts done. And then tomorrow I will hopefully be able to paint it, and then the next day we'll be able to put it together. So come on, let's go get the saw set up and get cutting. Alrighty guys, here's all of the cuts that we need to make. For the two front legs, we need 3 2x4s cut at 78 1/8 with a 15-degree angle on the long side, or the 3.5-inch side. And then we need 2 2x4s cut at 78 1/4 with a 15-degree angle on the 1.5-inch side. Back legs are the same number of pieces with the same 15-degree angle on top, but they're at 69 1/8. And then middle pieces, we need 8 at 83, and then 4 at 83 ripped along the top with a 15-degree angle. Middle supports, we need 10 at 29 inches. Sides, we need 6 at 32 inches. And roofing supports are ripped 2x4s, so they're 2x2s. And we need 8 of those at 30 with a 15-degree angle on both sides. Or both ends, should I say, and then 2 at 29 with a 15-degree angle on both sides.
Done!
Let's get started. So this is what we have cut so far. I have no idea if I'm gonna get through all of these cuts tonight, but basically these longer ones here are the front 2 legs, and these shorter ones are the back 3 legs. So those are done, and now we are moving on to the middle cuts. Alrighty, so here's what we've got done so far. We got the front legs, the back legs, and then these are all of the middle pieces that'll go across the front and the back to support the cages. What I have left to do now is the middle support, so the little pieces that'll go between these that'll give the cages even more support. And let's see. So here we've got middle supports, the sides, and then the roof supports to finish. Well, here it is, guys. Everything's cut except a few angle pieces and the roof supports, so I'd say we did pretty good for the day. So the next video will be cutting the angles on some of these pieces, getting the roof supports done, and then if these pieces are dry enough to paint, we'll paint them. If not, we'll wait a couple days and then we'll do some painting, and once they're all painted, we'll start putting it together. So, whew, that was a lot of work. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.